Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have the best restaurant mats for floors available in the market. The Notrax 355 Shoe Sanitizing and Drying Mat System. This innovative system is designed to keep your establishment clean and safe. Let's dive into the details. The Notrax 355 Shoe Sanitizing and Drying Mat System is a 3-zone mat designed to clean, disinfect, and dry shoes effectively. Zone 1 acts as a shoe scraper to remove dirt and grime, while Zone 2 features a removable tray for a disinfectant solution to sanitize the bottoms of shoes. Zone 3 uses an absorbent carpet to quickly dry shoes, preventing slips. It's a hassle-free solution for maintaining cleanliness in entryways. The Notrax 355 Shoe Sanitizing and Drying Mat System is designed to minimize the spread of contaminants from shoe soles. The system is easy to use and maintain, providing peace of mind by reducing bacteria and virus spread. It comes with instructional messaging for proper sanitizing, making it perfect for various environments. In conclusion, the Notrax 355 Shoe Sanitizing and Drying Mat System is a must-have for any establishment looking to maintain cleanliness and safety. With its innovative design and efficient cleaning capabilities, this system is the ideal solution for entryways. Keep your floors clean and your guests safe with this top-of-the-line restaurant mat system.
Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations.